So as a broker owner or a team leader, one of the ways you can attract talent to join your organization is to provide them value, especially when it comes to the training with the current market conditions that are happening. As you know, the market is softening up. There's definitely more inventory out there. There are a bunch of buyers that are priced out. So the agents are becoming more and more worried, right? And this is our job right now. This is our role as broker owners and team leaders to provide training that they can apply in their business to continue to, first of all, to evolve and pivot, and then most importantly, to continue to grow and gain market share. So you as a broker owner or a team leader, if you want to be attracting more agents, if you want to make sure that your agents seeing the value in terms of what you're offering as a broker owner or a team leader, or if you want to be retaining those agents that you have, one of the key things that you got to be doing is providing with the training that pertains to the current market conditions. So what we're doing in the next 2 to 4 months is that every single week we're going to have trainings on the listings, anything to do with the listing, and generating listing appointments and going to those listing appointments, presenting our value proposition, running comps, negotiating, reducing prices, like everything that has to do with the listing process from A to Z. We're going to be teaching this to our agents on a weekly basis. And this is something that, again, is going to be a value proposition, a big one to our agents, but also more importantly to the agents that are in different brokerages. They're not really seeing that type of training when it comes to that. And that's going to help us to, again, not only to retain our agents and hopefully increase their productivity, but also to attract agents that are not seeing value in other organizations that I'm part of. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. Again, keep in mind, be relevant, focus on the current situation, and do the training on a weekly basis. Thanks.